animal am I? First, I have several black spots on my red back. Second, I can spread my little wings and fly through the sky. Third, I'm an insect that eats aphids. What animal am I? I'm a ladybug. Ladybug.
Hi, what animal am I? First, I have black stripes on my body. Second, I have sharp teeth and powerful claws. Third, I'm a powerful carnivore that lives in the forest. What animal am I? I'm a tiger.
Tiger.
Hi, what animal am I? First, my body is black and white. Second, I have a large dorsal fin. Third, I'm a marine animal known as an apex predator of the ocean. What animal am I? I'm an orca. Orca?
Hi, what animal am I? First, I have a wide, flat bill. Second, I have webbed feet. Third, I'm a bird that floats and swims on the water. What animal am I? I'm a duck.
Duck.